Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Dana, I am the HGIC here at Divine Goddess Soaps, and happy Pride Month. Today I will be making bath bombs with this Love is Love heart mold from Inedible Soaps. The bath bomb mix has been uncolored but is scented with a rainbow fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. This mold molded beautifully. I did not have any issues with it whatsoever. It molded beautifully. And I'm just going to make a couple more of those. And then in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to paint these bath bombs two separate ways, both using airbrush. And those will be at the end. You saw a little sneak peek in the beginning picture there, but we'll leave that for the end. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you like how I show you multiple different times of me molding the bath bombs, just sped up, or if you rather I just show it once and then move on to the coloring, or if you like the multiple but maybe not as many. Just let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and pamper that like button. Show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. And it helps the algorithm show my videos to other people that may enjoy my content. If you're enjoying my content, please also pamper that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And I'll go ahead and let these dry for a couple days and we will come back to paint them. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and paint these. This is a mix of winter white and the glitter pearl mica. The winter white is from Nurture Soap and the glitter pearl is from Misty Magic Supplies. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Dana, why are you painting a white bath bomb white? I wanted the glitter. That was the main reason for it, is I wanted the glitter. And this the fragrance oil does have a tendency to discolor a little bit, so I did want to make that a true white. This color that I'm using here is the Sexy Pink Slippers from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And this blue is a mix of the True Blue from TKB Trading with a little bit of winter white to make it more of a light blue. There we go, we got a beautiful trans flag there. And we're moving on to the rainbow. This color is the Firecracker Mica Powder from Nurture Soap. And then I'm going in with the Orange Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap. And this is Lemon Drop, also from Nurture. And this is True Green from TKB. I did discuss this in a previous video, but I just wanted to reiterate. Just make sure that your greens and blues are safe per the FDA in the United States. That they are marked safe for use in bath bombs. What you want to look for is not just that it says it's safe on the supply or on the website, but actually look in the ingredients and make sure it doesn't contain chromium oxide green or ultramarine blue. There are, unfortunately, some bigger sites that do say that their greens and blues are bath bomb safe, but they're not. So then I just went in with the True Blue from TKB, and this is Purple Vibrance from Nurture. And as always, please take time to pamper your inner goddess. Self-care is so important for every her, him, and they. Again, happy Pride, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.